that like that and release it. That's not bad. Hi guys, this will be the last episode in the current list for this Oral B mouthwash bottle. I've done mousetrap, fan, rubber band, gravity, balloon, catapult, crossbow, and the last thing I put on the list was magnet. So we're going to try and propel it with a magnet, or magnets. I've got a couple of neodymium magnets here. They're about 20mm diameter, and they repel or attract depending on which way you put it. So my plan is I'm going to stick one on there and put the other one on a table leg or chair leg, pull them together and then release it and see how far it goes. Now, I'm not expecting to go the full length of my kitchen or anything like that, but it'll just be interesting to see how far it'll go. So let's put that one down there for now. That one's got a bit of a crack in it. I think it will still work for these purposes. They do get abused a bit when I use them for various things. Get bashed together, and they do break quite easily. That's blue tack I'm using, just to stick it on there, a little bit like clay. So that's gonna repel that. It's as simple as that, nothing technical. And we could look at doing some sort of geared effect or something like that, but that's all we're going to do here, just simply repel it and just see how far it goes. Right, level the height up. So that's going to go on there like that. You see that? Yeah. So all I'm going to do is hold that like that. Oh, it's pushing the chair. Hold that like that and release it. That's not bad. So if I put the camera here, try that again. Move that over a bit more. So that's it, magnet propelled. Now you could get a lot cleverer because it was trying to jump round to the side so it could actually go north to south instead of north to north or south to south. So if you had a bar for it to ride along to hold it straight to begin with, then that means you could push it up further. What I'm saying is as I push that up towards there, it tries to jump round the side like that. And you see there, it's actually attracting on the edges. It needs to be right in front, and the harder I push there, the harder it forces itself away. But if I hold it that tight and then release it, it jumps sideways. So could be improved quite easily. You can see there's a tiny slope it has to go up there as well. Yeah, could be improved, but that's just to give you the general idea. Magnet powered, the magnets are repelling each other, and that's pushing the car forwards. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.